Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Honda Accord brake light. First, ensure your car is safely parked and the engine is off. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a new 7440 brake light bulb. Open your trunk to get ready for the next steps. This simple repair can save you a trip to the mechanic and is easy to do yourself with just a few tools. Let's get started on this quick fix. Now that your trunk is open, look for the two Phillips head screws securing the trunk liner near the brake light. Use your screwdriver to remove them carefully. Once the screws are out, gently pull back the trunk liner to expose the brake light assembly. You'll then see the electrical connector. Simply pinch and pull to disconnect it. This gives you full access to the bulb housing. With the electrical connector detached, you can now twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to release it from the brake light housing. Once the socket is free, gently pull the old 7440 bulb straight out. It might be a little snug, but it will come out. Now, take your new 7440 bulb and firmly push it into the socket until you feel it click into place. Ensure it's seated correctly. To finish up, reinsert the bulb socket into the brake light housing and twist it clockwise until it's secure. Then, reconnect the electrical connector, making sure it clicks firmly into place. Carefully push the trunk liner back and replace the two Phillips head screws. Finally, test your new brake light to ensure it's working perfectly. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.